What's going on, guys? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm here in my basement trying to shoot an intro. We're going trout fishing. Alright, guys. Out here trout fishing again. Got a little ultralight rod, Field and Stream. Got this new reel, the Daiwa Legalis, whatever the hell it is. It's amazing. And what I'm using today is just using a little panfish bobber, little bobber. You can adjust it with the depth. Got 4-pound main line, bringing that down. I got a small split shot. These split shots are for fly fishing. And then I got a little swivel, followed by another split shot, followed by Berkeley worm with a small hook. See what we can do. I'm feeling the fish on the first cast over here. Let's see. First cast was a bust. Gotta bring that a little more shallow. Come on, baby. Oh, there you go, there you go. There. Oh, ripped it right out of his mouth. Come on, baby. Try this again. There you go. And I'm caught up on some line. Oh no. Oh, there's that. Look a little deeper. See what it's doing with that. Should be getting hit here. I think the fish are a little locked up today. Oh. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There, come here, buddy. Come here, come here. Now you see, these fish are stocked, but they give you a little bit of a fight. Oh, there it goes. Hook came right off. So again, that's all I'm using. Little worm. I do have live bait. I really only use live bait when the bite's really tough. I feel like it's just so annoying to dirty your hands. That dirt gets under your nails and it's all, oh, just missed another fish. I really like this Berkeley power bait's great. Fish could bite at it all day, and you know what, you can catch multiple fish on the same worm, nothing will happen. Is that a fish? Oh no. Come on. Now what I'm trying to catch is, they stock rainbows and browns, this little river. I'm trying to just target the browns. I know the browns like to hang in that current, in that little seam over there. And I know right here, if I look to the right, there's a little pool. Oh, that's a deer. Oh my God, that's a freaking deer. No way. I have no idea where this deer came from. It has a broken leg. Oh my god. I gotta get this on my phone. I have no idea where this deer came from. It has a broken leg. It's wet. I think it fell from the waterfalls. Oh my god. It has, yeah, it definitely fell from the waterfalls. This is all mountains around here. Come here, baby. Wow. This is unbelievable. Yeah, that deer 100% fell from the waterfall. As you can see, this is all mountains around me. It's literally, there's nowhere where this deer could have scaled. 100%, he got caught up there and he fell down from the waterfall. I feel really bad. I would love to go help this deer, but I don't know how I would be able to get him over here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Wow.